Welcome to OCA Engineering and Outsourcing. What we are going to teach us today is how to set level on a new project. So, using Revit 2026, we can start with clicking on New under Model. You will see New Project. Under New Project, if you are working with feet, you can go with this one. But you are working on millimeters or meters, you can go with this one, metric. So you click OK. You will allow it to open. Okay, it's open. Make sure you are on architecture. So let's start. You will go to left bottom corner. You will see project browser. You will see many things under here, but see where we are working. See the one we are working with. You will see under floor plans, you will see L1 and L2. So you need to go to elevation. Look for elevations. You click on elevations, double click on it. Under elevation, you will see East architectural, North architectural, South architectural, West architectural. So you can choose anyone. I'm going with South. Let me go with South. It will open and you will see the L1 and L2. So let's say we are setting level for 2-story building. So this L1 is 0. I call it natural ground level, NGL. So, and let me say, since we are designing for 2-story building, let me say that the depth of our foundation will be 1200 mm. So I click on this level here, come here, write 1200 mm, press enter, place it here. So as you can see, you see L3 1200. So I want to be changing it immediately, the L1, L2 and L3. So from the ground level, natural ground level, the depth of our foundation is 1200 mm. So we call this L3 foundation. You click enter. You come to L1. You write NGL. You click enter. Then this L2, the L2 is 3600 mm, and the from natural ground level, the NGL to DPC, let's say from natural ground level to DPC is, okay, let's call it 600 mm. You come here and type 600, press enter. As you can see, it's down. It came down. Then we write on it L2 is DPC, enter. So are we progressing from NGL, which is 0? That is your land, the land you are working on. This is the 0. Then the depth of your foundation is 1,200 mm. Then from that national ground level again to your DPC is 600 mm. So let's continue setting our level. Let's continue setting our level. So we pick level again. From DPC to first slab, that is the height of our building is 3,300 mm. You can write it 3,300 mm. You press enter, you drag it to here. If you drag, this is very important. If you pick any level from here and drag it and you do not see this head, what you are going to do is, once you drop it here, you click on this level again, you come here, you pick 8 mm head. As you can see, it's already here. So let's continue. Here is first, I write it first slab, press enter. So from DPC to the first slab is 3,300 and the thickness of our slab is 150 mm. You pick your level, you come here, you type 150 mm, you enter. As you can see, you change it, you see it level 5, you write it first floor, press enter. So we pick our level again, type 3,300 mm, press enter. We can pick our level again and type 150 mm, press enter. We pick our level again, (3,300 mm), enter. Yeah. So as you can see, this thread level that I set last, as you can see, they have no head. So let me quickly arrange them. I call this second slab, enter. I call this, let me put the head, I call this second floor, enter. I call this roof, So as you can see, we have placed our levels. So, but you will note, if you are very observant, you will notice two things. You see this head is black and white, and you can see this head is blue. So what does this thing implies? These two level, NGL and DPC, they automatically, anytime you open your Revit 2026, you will see two of them. So it left for you to give them, as in it's left for you to set them well, set the level very well. So, but before then, let me quickly show you something. So we are through in placing our levels, but if you notice another thing, in this your project browser, you're supposed to be seeing foundation under floor plans. You're supposed to be seeing foundation, first slab, second slab, etc. But only thing you are seeing is L1 and L2. So what are we going to do to impute them here, to make them visible under floor plan, so that any plan you are working on, you can click on the plan and start working on it. So let's go to view. You click on view. You see plan views. You will see plan views. You click on it. You see floor plan. You click on it. As you can see, new floor plans. So select one or more level for which you want to create new levels. So what are we going to do? All these level we have setted, you can hold control and, you understand, click all of them, then you say okay. Once we say okay, all this level will appear on this project browser. You will see it under floor plans. Let's hit OK and see what will happen. As you can see, under floor plans, you can see our foundation is there, L1, L2, first lab, first floor, sorry, and so on. So, but there is one thing that is still missing. This L1 is that NGL 0. So what are we going to do to change it, so that whenever you are doing your design, you know that this is NGL, that is natural ground level, you are working on it, or you are working on DPC. So you click here and right click, you will see rename. So this L1 is our NGL, you write it NGL, enter. You come to L2, you write it, you right click, you rename, you write it DPC, enter. Now you have set your level complete. Our level is complete now. So let me check 3D and see what we got there. As you can see, the level is set already. It's well set. As you can see, it is well set. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.